Okay, in this video we're going to show you how to update your build using the Ultra Wizard. If you don't have the Ultra Wizard installed, then you need to watch one of my other videos where you can learn how to install the Ultra Wizard on your box. But let's say you already got it. Let's say it's time to install your build. This is the video for you. So let's get started. Here, let's go ahead and open Kodi. Get that going. Okay, you're going to see I installed something on here so it looks a little different, so you can see what's going on when we put the new build on. You can see the difference, but either way, you've got something similar. If you've got one of my builds installed, you'll go over here to one of the sections here, and it'll be in all-in-one, it'll be in system, it'll be somewhere. You'll see the Ultra Wizard right here in the sub menu, and you want to go ahead and click on that. We'll open the Ultra Wizard, and then you're going to see this list pop up, and we want to click on Builds menu, and I've got one build right there just called Ultra. That's what I got it called right now, so we're going to click on that. And it's going to ask you if you would like to run a fresh start before installing the latest build. And yes, we want to run a fresh start. That's going to clean everything off of there, give you a nice fresh start. It's going to run real nice. So let's go ahead and do that. Would you like to save your login data? No. And then, do you wish to restore to default settings? Yes. And we're going to go ahead and let it switch the skins back. It's got to do that to go ahead and make this happen. So we click that, and it works its magic. It's cleaning up all the files, wiping it back to a nice, fresh, clean, blank Kodi, and it's got to do a force close. We'll let it do that. We click here, force close Kodi, and we're back to the home screen. Now we're going to go ahead and reopen Kodi. And you're going to see it's going to open up, and it's going to be a nice, clean, completely empty copy of Kodi, except you still have your Ultra Wizard. You can see right here in add-ons, the Ultra Wizard's still there. Now, but before we put the build on, we've got to do one thing. A completely clean Kodi, and Kodi 17 makes you go in right here, click right here on this gear cog, and go into System Settings, and tell it right here in add-ons, you got to click on unknown sources. You got to tell it it's okay to use add-ons. So we do that. You saw right there, I click on unknown sources, and this warning box pops up, and I click yes. That allows it to use add-ons. Back out of there, all the way back to the home screen. Go back down here on the home screen to add-ons. Go to the Ultra Wizard, click on that, and it'll open up the Ultra Wizard. And we'll go to the Builds menu once again. And then we click on Ultra once again. And it asks us again, would you like to run a fresh start? No, we already did that. So click no, and it's going to go ahead and start downloading and installing the build. Now, while it's doing that, let's go ahead and turn on some tunes to waste our time. We'll let this thing run in real time so you can see just exactly how long this takes. No sense of fast forwarding it. This will give you a sense of what goes on, and you'll know if something's going wrong then, see? You see, it doesn't take that long. Now, your internet connection might be a little bit slower, so kind of look at that speed of the download. You can see I got a pretty good connection. Maybe yours isn't quite that fast. Okay, now we're installing. You can see that goes really fast. These little Android boxes, they got some good processors, and they really download and install this stuff fast. If you're running on a Fire Stick, not going to run that fast. I mean, they'll do the job, but believe me, these boxes run circles around the Fire Sticks. Okay, you see right there, we're done. Click OK, and then we have to do a force close. We click right there, pops back to the home screen. Now we're going to go ahead and open Kodi, and the build will be installed. It's that simple. Now, I'm going to go ahead and walk you through the build. You can see right now, we've got the new background. It'll take it a minute to populate this, the widgets up here. So give it a minute. And if any of these add-ons have to update, you'll see at the top here where they update. So let's just wait for this thing to go ahead and fill in this part of the screen right here. You see there it's coming in. So once that happens, I don't see any updating going on up here. Looks like we're ready to roll. So let's go ahead and go across to System, Favorites, Music. Okay, that's filling in, and Movies. Okay, there we go. Looks like we're ready to rock and roll. So let me show you about this build a little bit right here. So TV shows and movies section, we're using Elysium, Exodus, and M4U for the add-ons for those sections. M4U really nice in the movies, one click play, check it out. Exodus working really nice, updated. Elysium really nice, takes the place of Zen. Check it out. Over here in System, this is where you get direct access to your programs, video add-ons, music add-ons. This is where your adult content can be found in this section right here. It's not out front for the kids to find. Now, that is password protected. You got to put in a key code to watch any of that. And you should know what that default password is. Over here is File Manager for the advanced users to add sources, and this is where you shut down Kodi right here. Just click on Shutdown, and that'll close down Kodi properly. Go back to your home screen. Right here is the Favorites section, formerly called All-in-One, and this has a new feature if you click on Favorites, and I'll have another video about that. Right here in Favorites, got some new programs, Skynet, Supremacy, Wolfpack, and we had this one before, the Pyramid. Really great add-ons. Check them out. Great content. And here's where you'll also find the Ultra Wizard. And right here, music add-ons, MP3 streams in Django. Two of our favorites still here, and a new one, Jukebox Hero. Highly recommended. Check it out. You're going to love this one. So either way, just get in there and check all this out, and leave comments below. Thanks a lot.